If you've got a Hyundai i30N, a great modification for that car is Forge Motorsport's brand new, genuine carbon fibre engine cover. Now, it's quite rare for those Gloucestershire guys to actually make a product that's just all about the looks. Normally they're about the engineering, the effect, the benefit. Now this, if we're being totally honest, is pure beauty. Now this has been made to a competition standard using an autoclave with a 10-bar vacuum mould. And what that means is, as the carbon fibre mat cures, it's held down with 10-bar pressure. And what that gives you is incredible strength, beautiful weave, and a uniformity of finish that you only get by making products that way. Now it's very nice, covers the original. You remove that, this uses the standard factory fittings. It fits around, as you can see, all of the factory components. Also takes Forge's rather nice 4-inch inlet. We'll talk about that in another video. Now, if you're also doing the carbon fibre engine cover, as you open the bonnet, it looks fantastic, but you can't leave the standard oil cap. If you're going to all that trouble to make your engine bay look good, invest in this, invest in the oil cap. You can get it in the black that you see here. You can also get it in this rather attractive silver. There's a choice of black or silver caps, so you can have black with silver, silver with black, black with black, silver with silver. It's something you can do in a few minutes at home to transform the engine bay, and it will set you down the road of modifying your car and making your engine look better. Have a look at the link on the bottom. That'll take you straight through to the store, and everything you need is there, but it's 2 minutes to fit and it looks amazing. Now the cover comes with a really nice microfiber bag, so that protects it when it's traveling. Also means you can clean it. And in that kit is a Maguire's quick detailer. So once you've got your handprints over it at the end of fitting it, or for each week's detailing prior to the shows that you go to, spray it over and it will come up like this every single time. So easy to fit, looks beautiful, and just transforms the way your car looks.